at Moo's Kitchen at the Slate in Phuket, Thailand. And today I'm learning how to make green papaya salad, green curry with chicken, stir-fried egg noodles with seafood, and deep-fried banana, Thai style.
Black Ginger at the Slate is a well-reviewed Michelin guide restaurant in Nha Trang, Phuket. So when I learned they offered a cooking class, I was quick to sign up. For 2,500 Thai baht, or about $70 US, they offer what they call a cook and chow class, where you prepare 4 dishes with a resident chef.
So I'm on the way to the market with Ma'am. She's my chef coach for the day.
There's a saying that if you want to know a country, visit its local markets. And so I paid about $30 more for the longer version of the class, which includes a trip to Baan Kian Fresh Market.
Here we are at Baan Kian Market.
The market trip was not only a grocery store run for fresh ingredients, but also a lesson in local food.
They have a lot of local vegetable and they have very fresh galanka.
What do you call that one?
Galanka or Thai ginger.
Thai ginger.
This is banana tree, but in the middle.
It's the center of a banana tree.
Yes.
What is that used for?
They use for soup, and this one is long leaf coriander.
They use this for lab.
Yes.
Spicy, sweet, Thai. So many different types of basil. What do they typically do with the eggs?
For curry and for soup, they like to put in chicken in turmeric soup. Yes.
Turmeric soup.
It's very nice. Aroy, aroy, it means delicious.
Aroy. Aroy cup.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Yeah, very delicious.
Aroy cup. Aroy cup. Now we're at the curry station.
Yes, curry station. And for this one is red curry, yellow curry. This is very spicy.
Not for white guy?
No, only for Thai.
Yeah.
This is coconut milk.
Yep. Fresh coconut milk for
Green curry.
Green curry.
Yes. And fresh coconut cheese for deep fried banana.
Oh, that's for the shavings of the deep fried banana. Okay. What are these?
2 eggplants. Asian bok choy.
Asian bok choy.
Asian bok choy.
How are the Thai tomatoes?
Thai tomato is very soft and have a lot of juice. Kaffir leaf
And what, Thai basil?
and Thai basil. This is tiny eggplant they like to put in green curry.
In the green curry, right?
Yes. And long bean.
Whoa, long. Those are very long.
Very
green
long
beans.
bean.
We've got our produce and we're off to cooking class.
Fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
oyster sauce,
Yeah, the oyster sauce.
dark soy sauce.
Ooh, that's heavy soy sauce.
Back at class, there were dozens of ingredients to prepare, as Ma'am taught me the basics of Thai cooking philosophy. The aim is to achieve a balance of 5 flavor profiles.
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar.
Sweet with things like dark soy sauce, Thai basil, and palm sugar.
Kaffir lime leaf.
Sour with kaffir lime and lemongrass.
Light soy sauce.
Salty with soy and fish sauce. Spicy with garlic, chilies, ginger, and pepper. And finally creamy, mostly done with coconut.
There's all of our cooking ingredients. Okay, ma'am, explain what we're about to do.
First, they have green papaya salad.
Okay. Now we're making the sauce for the papaya
Yes.
salad. 1 spoon or 2 spoons of palm sugar?
1 spoon of
1
palm
spoon.
sugar.
This stuff is very sticky and very sweet, huh? Wow, it's like molasses.
Phuket for us stir fry egg noodle with seafood.
We got our greens, our garlic, and our sauce and egg noodles. Coconut curry.
Spicy green coconut curry with chicken. You like spicy?
I like spicy.
Spicy green curry, about 4 chili, galanka or Thai ginger.
Thai ginger,
Just only like this.
very small pieces of
Yes.
Thai ginger. Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. You have to julienne. Kaffir lime. Just only skin. Onion, garlic, pepper. And they need green color from
Thai basil.
Thai basil leaf. Everything like this. Put in blender.
So the curry paste is made from the green chilies,
Yes.
Thai basil, lemongrass, black pepper, garlic, red onion, galanka,
Kaffir lime.
and you put it in a blender of Vitamix and out comes the green curry paste.
Yes.
There's your lesson in curry paste.
And deep fried banana Thai style.
We're just about finished with all of our prep work. We've got our green curry prepped, stir-fried egg noodles prepped, green papaya salads prepped, and right now we're working on prepping the deep-fried banana. I put all the curry paste in there, man. Spicy. Mam's making a red curry,
Red curry.
and I'm making a green curry.
Time for food tasting.
Ah, the good part, tasting. Extra spicy.
Yes.
Our curries taste delicious and we're letting them rest while we work on the salad.
First, you have to put garlic and chili inside.
All right, garlic and chili.
And peanut and dry shrimp inside.
Peanuts and dried shrimp
And fish sauce inside.
and fish sauce.
If everything inside already,
Yeah.
spoon is come up and wood is go down.
Spoon comes up and the wood goes down. You've mastered the technique, ma'am. Our salads are finished. Our bananas are cooking, getting browner by the minute. And then it's the stir-fried egg noodles with seafood. Well, that's excellent. Honey, cinnamon, and sugar on a deep-fried banana. Well, I managed not to burn it. I just wrapped up cooking class here in Moo's Kitchen under the expert guidance of Ma'am. Ma'am, how did I do today?
It's very good.
Very good?
Everything is very beautiful.
Okay.
Taste is okay.
Not bad for a first timer.
It's okay, very nice for first time.
And not bad for a Westerner.
No.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am, for
Welcome.
your expertise.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your lunch.
Now that I'm done with cooking class here at Moo's Kitchen, I get to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Green curry with chicken, green papaya salad, stir-fried egg noodles with seafood, and for dessert, deep-fried banana, Thai style.
Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll be creating more food and culture content for my travels in Southeast Asia.